Welcome back to my channel once again. This is Absolute GH. Today I'm going to make turmeric and honey soup. Let's go over the ingredients. We are making turmeric and honey bathing soup. These are the ingredients. This is soda ash. I've mixed a little bit of sodium sulfate with it, and I forgot, so I only mixed half. I'm going to use 50 grams, and I've already mixed 25 in the soda ash solution. So this is the remaining one. I will add it. This is my lye solution, caustic soda mixture. This is my SLS solution. This is my kaolin clay. I have ash color. Some people have white and the rest. This is what I currently have. This is my turmeric powder. This is perfume. This is sodium lactate. This is glycerin. Honey, I'm going to use 100 grams. This is 60, so I will pour the 40 later. And of course, this is my oil, palm oil and then coconut oil. I've mixed the two together. It's very hot, so what I'm going to do now is I'll just go ahead and add my turmeric powder to it to infuse it, and keep stirring so that the hot temperature will go down before I continue with my preparation. So this is it. I will just set it aside. I will go ahead and add my sodium sulfate to my soda ash solution and then stir. You have to stir until the mixture becomes clear. I will set it aside. I'm now going to add my perfume to the kaolin clay. You can either add the kaolin straight away or you can mix it with your perfume. The significance here is the kaolin becomes a fixative to the soup so that it will help you maintain the perfume in the soup. I'll just add the perfume. And then go ahead to mix it together. So now this is it. I've mixed it well. So when you take the temperature of the oil and then the lye solution, they don't match at all because this one I've already made the lye solution for some hours now, and this is too high, so I'll wait. I'll continue to stir and wait for it to cool down a bit before I will start with production. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell. And please watch the video to the end because people do ask some questions sometimes. I don't even know what to do and how to answer them. Because you see that the person did not watch the video. He only just clicked and then went back, and you come back and ask all sorts of questions that if you had watched the video to the end, you would have seen it. So please watch the videos to the end and reduce the questions for us because we use data and the rest for WhatsApping and the rest. So please help us to help you. Thank you. Like I always say, if you want to start making soup, please get a hydrometer. It is very, very, very important to get a hydrometer. It will help you to mix your lye solution in an accurate manner or in an accurate way, which will not create any problems for you. So I'm going to add the glycerin and then the sodium lactate to it. This is my glycerin. And then this is sodium lactate. Like I was saying, the hydrometer will help you to adjust your lye solution to a specific gravity, which will be good for your skin depending on the type of soap you are making. If you are making a bar soap for washing, then the specific gravity is 1275. If you are making a soap for bathing, it's 1250. So the hydrometer is very important. You can use like calculator for it, but not everyone is able to use it. But so to get the hydrometer, I think it will help you to do it simple. I'm adding the SLS solution. I will then go ahead to add the soda ash and then sodium sulfate. It's already tasted. Soda, caustic soda. I will leave a link on how to mix that lye solution and how to use the hydrometer in the description box below. So you can go there and check on how to mix the lye solution and how to use the hydrometer in the description box below. I wanted to use the immersion blender, but it ended up tasting so fast that I have to stop using it and rely on my spatula to stir. Using palm oil tastes very fast, so when you are working with it, you have to work with it in a very fast way. I was shooting at the same time, making it so I couldn't be fast with it. It ended up tasting very fast on me, so I had to put the immersion blender aside and then use a spatula. I'll just put the camera down and then even when it tastes fast, you have to make sure you stir very well so that it does not give you a false tasting. You have to mix and stir and stir and stir, make sure that all the oil has mixed with the uh, soda. I wanted to make two colors, but I couldn't because of how fast it tasted. So I ended up not making two colors that I wanted to. So because I had to pour it fast and then before it becomes solid. After pouring into my mold, I covered it to avoid soda whitish soda to form on top of the soap. So that's the reason why I covered it. After leaving it for a day, I then unmold it and then cut them into pieces. And then with this, you have to store for 6 weeks before you can use it. 4 weeks is okay, but I prefer 6 weeks so that all the soap must have left or dried or mixed well before I use it to avoid irritation to the skin. I'm going to use this to cut the soap. So this is the final result. Thank you all for watching and please subscribe to my channel.